come, and the land is dark, and the moon is the only light we'll see. Well, I won't be afraid. No, I won't be afraid. Just as long as you stand by me. I was crawling around in my head in a haze and a trance, till Rico said, I'ma turn you on to a sound, girl. Cool out your head. And this is the sound from Camden Town. And I heard it like a shot through my skull to my brain. I felt my fingertips tingle and start to rain as the walls of my bedroom were trembling around me. This ramshackle voiceover attack of the blues beat, and they're telling me he's only looking for fun. And this was the sound of the very last gag in town, as heard by my wild young heart, like directions on a cold dark night, saying let it out, let it out, let it out, you're doing alright. And I heard it in his chain gang soul, how it wasn't just the same sad song.